Very small.
Hey guys, I'm back, and today we are going to be doing a Nerf battle. This one, don't say anything. He's not Bob, and it's a Nerf hide and seek.
It's unfair because they have better drawings.
If we find the seekers, we get to shoot them. And if they find the hiders, they get to shoot us.
Yeah, if I find one of them, I have the right to shoot them. But if they find one of me or Kevin, they have the right to shoot us.
They get to go boom to our head.
Or no headshots.
Only fake shots?
No shots in the head.
So only under the legs
Yeah.
or above.
You can only shoot them in the legs.
Or like this.
You can only shoot them in the legs, guys. Okay?
Kevin,
But what if we accidentally shoot a little higher?
No, dude,
He
stop.
said he wants it to be that long.
Yo.
I need to.
Kevin!
Garage.
Out.
That way.
But
Remember
we're
this
just
discussion?
Okay, so
Kevin,
you guys count.
Kevin, do you really want to Kevin,
Get your gun, come on.
Hey,
he needs one.
Get your gun.
He said he needs help.
It's okay, dude. You don't need one.
Then we
gun, and we both have these guns. And he has this one. This is mine. Those two.
You guys have 2 shots. We have 1.
Yeah. So
Because we have better guns. It takes longer. Our guns are more powerful.
Yeah, he's gonna make me one of
their
these.
bullets are softer.
no, it only takes one
it's,
shot for us, 2 for you.
No, yeah, that's what I said.
So guys, I know how to hold my phone. So yeah.
Fine, I'll make you one.
Thank you. Subscribe to his channel. Subscribe to his channel because he's one of the bestest people ever.
Hey,
do
hold your phone to
anything.
your chest.
You're not
Okay,
even
hold
filming. Hey guys, I'm back with another channel. We're doing this Nerf gun challenge. We have 2 guns. Those 2, and we have these, and he has these, and he's one. Subscribe to his channel because he has a better one. So he's gonna try to make me one of these. And hold on, guys. You don't got no subscribers. I actually got 1. I got 1,000.
Hold it by the top. Hold it by the top.
Hold on, guys. I'm just trying to do this. Holy crap.
It's easy to pick off.
Hey guys.
You just grab one
Want
and...
me to make a channel? Like it up. If this video gets 10 million views, I will create a channel.
Ah, my arm! I will... Dude, no, it's fine, it's fine.
Kevin, can I do that again? No. But was it funny? Yeah. He's like, I'll make a channel! My arm! Don't suck to his, he sucks. Don't suck to him, he sucks too. No, I don't. He's the best. He's the best. I have 1,000 subscribers. No, you don't. I do. Show me then. Not yet, because it'd be good. After this, I'm gonna... You saw him, guys. You saw him. He was by
You know, guys, I'm filming.
Yeah, we're both filming.
Hey,
Yeah, we're both doing it.
On Unstoppable's video.
Okay,
If you guys
That really don't count.
No, wait, I'm not finished.
If you guys get this guy a million views,
No, hide in the...
I will make a channel.
You
and
guys
make it-
go in the backyard. No, we have to go over there. No, but then in the backyard you can't see where we're going.
Yeah, you can't see where we're going. So Kevin, you have to go to the backyard.
No.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, we do? Wait. So, are we allowed to hide under vehicles?
No. You were thinking of hiding under the trailer or under the Jeep or under the car. Well, you can't.
Can I hide in the tree?
No. Come on, guys, let's go!
Can I hide in the lizard?
No.
Kind of cool.
Yeetle! Come on, let's go! Yee-Man!
His mouth is a little bit
Yee-Man, the lizard! Hey, guys! I want you to subscribe to Yee-Man the lizard!
Yeah, subscribe to his channel. He's one of the best players ever.
Let's go!
Oh, okay.
Over the trailer hitch. Sorry guys if the gun gets in the way. It's not really easy having the thing on my chest.
He lives right there. You can know Mom comes to our house and does the mapping.
Boom! Okay, well, we're gonna sit in the chair, count to 30. Well, I'm gonna pause the video for you, so it's only gonna be like 2 seconds. Okay, see you soon.
This is his.
Okay, we're back, and it's been 30 seconds, half a minute. They're gonna be dead. My gun's on safety, so I can't really shoot,
My gun's all not on safety.
which is bad, because if you accidentally pull the trigger,
Oh,
they'll
you-
find us, and then they're like, shoot us. Come on. Come on, turn your gun off safety. Let's go, let's go.
Yo, yeah. What's up, yeah?
You're not for him! Got him, boys! Got him, he's dead!
No, I'm not dead.
Yeah?
You shot me in the butt.
I still shot you, you're dead.
That was unfair. We didn't even get to hide.
We were counting to 30!
You shot me in the butt.
I shot him in the butt!
Oh, Kevin, I'm making you a salad.
Where's my lizard?
Okay, we win. Me and Kevin win.
Lizard.
Okay, guys, I hope you liked the video. Bye. Like and subscribe.